This right here is the new AI smart recorder sent to us and sponsored by iFLYTEK, which is by far the best all-in-one recording and transcription device you can get, totally saving our butts on our trip to Taiwan when Intel invited us to their tech tour for their Lunar Lake chip launch. So we recorded the most important speeches and training sessions that I can now play back with high quality audio and full text transcription. And before I get into the unboxing, the features, and the specs, I want to mention a couple of my favorite things about it. The best part about the iFLYTEK smart recorder is that it's the world's first fully offline speech-to-text voice recorder, so no internet connection is required, so it doesn't matter where in the world you're at, and it's unaffected by unreliable Wi-Fi or cell service. And yes, you can easily update the software and language packs down the road within the settings, and by the way, it's fluent in 5 languages: English, Chinese, including all the different dialects like Cantonese, and then Japanese, Korean, and Russian, which actually makes it perfect for my father-in-law, who is Russian and has a hard time understanding English, making this device perfect for him since it auto-transcribes English audio into Russian text in real time right on the screen. And of course, my favorite thing about it is that it's a standalone device with 7 hours of non-stop recording battery life, so you're free to use your phone in any way you want, like recording videos, which instantly stops voice memo recording on the iPhone, making it impossible to do both at the same time. But on top of that, the iFLYTEK smart recorder has certain features that a phone's recording could never compete with, including dedicated high-quality 10mm directional microphones that record clear and precise audio from a distance with unrivaled noise reduction technology that makes sure you can hear the person or people you're recording with high accuracy. It also has intelligent AI speech filters, which feature automatic non-vocal filtering, silence skipping, and filler word removal to boost efficiency within your recording and transcript using its 8-core 64-bit high-performance processor for all of the AI computing, which is great since it's fully dedicated to high-quality transcription. It comes in a high-quality box for a premium unboxing experience and with a 2-inch integrated touchscreen that looks great, making it easy to read the transcript or navigate. And the nice thing is that it comes with 32 gigs of integrated storage for up to 190 hours of recording, and is very easy to navigate through the files, also supporting guaranteed secure data transfer using its USB-C port to transfer high-quality WAV files, as well as the matching full-text transcription within a docx file format. Navigating the device is super easy with 3 different tabs, being Settings, My Files, and the recording mode, which you can change with this button right here at the top, where you can choose the conference recording mode, speech recording, and interview recording, or you could just do intelligent recording, which does it automatically, and I've found that it works really great. All you have to do is tap on the display to start recording, or instead you can use the physical record button to record from basically anywhere, showing you a simple UI with your live transcription right on the display. You can also hit the pause button to pause if there's a break, and then you can resume it back again. And there's also this little red marker which will mark a certain point that's very important within your recording. Or you can also hit one of the volume buttons to mark it as well. And I'll explain how cool this feature is in just a moment. You can instantly switch between languages by clicking on the button right here. You can see I'm going to switch to Russian, and within moments it's going to be switching the transcription language. There you go, it switched without having to cut the recording at all. And here you can see that it is transcribing in Russian. Now when you're done, you just hit pause, hit done. It's going to save your transcription, then it's going to bring you to the files right here. So let's tap in, let's click in, and here you can hit the play button. There you go, it's playing back. You can pause, you can skip between 15-second intervals, or you can go back 15 seconds. You can also hit the AI button, which allows you to enable these voice word filtering and non-human voice filtering buttons. And then you can hit the settings button, letting you adjust the font size right here. Or you can go to the tag list, which there you can see we have our most important tags. You can tap them, it takes you right to the most important sections, which is really cool. You could also swipe over to the side and you have your full history of your transcription live to read right there, which is awesome. And then finally, you have the settings tab, which lets you change a ton of different settings like the auto screen off and auto power off settings. You can add a lock screen password. You can check the system languages, your storage space. You could also go to the battery mode right here. You can turn on battery percentage, turn on battery saver mode, which will help save extra battery life, and much more, like I mentioned earlier, managing the language packs. So overall, I've got to say that the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder is by far the best recording device you can get, especially since it works fully offline and does auto translation and transcription with intelligent AI features. So if you're interested in picking one up for yourself or somebody else, you can find the info and link in the description below, as well as to the Jarvison Smart Translator 2, which completely saved our butts while we were in Taiwan, allowing us to communicate with the locals and translate street signs, food menus, and everything else with its built-in camera, and you can find a link to that down below as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit subscribe above for more like this one. Check out one of those two right there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.